Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Rog here again, and tonight we're going to make a midweek meal. It's going to be really cheap, really simple, but I'm going to use up the leftover chicken from our Sunday lunch when we had a roast chicken, and very nice it was too. So let me show you what we need. Grams of this lovely fusilli pasta. I'm going to cook that first before we incorporate it into the meal. 100 grams of cooked garden peas, some cream, 100 grams of smoked bacon and 100 grams of chopped onion, some butter, some white wine vinegar, some cooking oil, 200 grams or thereabouts of cooked chicken, and some of this Parmesan cheese to sprinkle over the top just to finish it off. Firstly, we go in with some butter and a small amount of cooking oil. In that goes. Then in with our chopped onions. We'll let those cook down for a while. Now it's time to go in with the bacon. Now we can go in with the white wine vinegar. About 4 tablespoons should do. Just warm that through. Then in with 1 pot of single cream. We can add some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Give this a stir. In with the chicken. Then in we go with our garden peas. Pasta. We just have to break this up a little bit. Now we've got to make sure that everything's coated in this lovely sauce. And finally, a sprinkling of Parmesan cheese. Here we go with our taste test. Lovely. Creamy chicken and pasta. Shouldn't be talking with my mouth full. Give me a minute. Well, to be honest folks, that sure does taste good. Thank you once again for joining me on this latest video of mine. If you've liked it, please give me a thumbs up. That would be great. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Anything else I've got to say? Oh yeah, I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.